Yes guys, andito ako ngayon sa Manila Cathedral. Manila Cathedral Church.
Before Sancho's major spine surgery, he noticed the fear and anxiety in my heart. In the face of suffering, with wisdom and faith beyond his years, he told me
Yes, ito ang Manila Cathedral.
to surrender Isaac.
May misa ngayon sa Manila Cathedral.
Don't be afraid to give custody of me to God. I have surrendered everything. My life, my health, my future. It's all
Napakaganda ng simbahan ng Manila Cathedral.
my future.
Pasok tayo guys.
But whatever happens, I am with you. My life is in His hands.
Yes guys, andito na tayo sa loob ng Manila Cathedral.
Looking back, words can hardly capture how meticulously God took care of every detail. Even before we left, He ensured our miracle gift, a privilege to witness Christ's love through the care and kindness that we received. Strangers offered help. An extra phone was sent for our use, and we received food, clothes, and thoughtful gifts from former community members now residing in the U.S., old friends, and even Sancho's kind nurses. A mother whose child is now an adult with SMA was our angel.
Ever dreamed of. Seeing the iconic sights I knew from only from movies and shows and games really started to get there as a family. Truly made it.
Thank you for watching guys.
Every moment was a gift.
Magsimba muna ako.
Like a bonus gift. Reminder of God's goodness and how far He has brought us.